Very good morning, friends. I'm Nalini Swami. Welcome into my channel, Smart Index Edge. Today, I'm going to show you how to keep alerts. Of course, alerts are coming on the chart with the indicator. If you are seeing the chart, you can look at it. For example, if you are trading on a stock, you are getting a stocks like this, Power Grid or something. Let me open a Power Grid here. If you want to track the stock, from the list it has come, Power Grid. Okay, I'm applying the Power Grid. Okay, I want to trade on this stock. What happened yesterday is we got at this stock and it started coming down. Then you can keep alert here, sell alert, or since it is a biased, because 6-hour buy sell signal, then you can keep it for buy signal. How you can do that? You here create alert. You can see here. Or if you press Alt A, you will get this. You need not go there. What you need to do? Press Alt A. Then it comes. Then drop down menu. My indicator is Nalini Precision 4, V4. You click on that. And then whatever the time frame, better you keep on 5 minutes. And then you select GannRF crossover pivot RF buy. Because of that condition only, that buy signal is generated on the chart. You can do that. You can create alert and you can look for that. So you are working on the Nifty and you can create alert. And for example, even on the morning time, market was very choppy. Because the bias was upside, then you can keep it for buy sell alert. Same thing. Again, I'll show it to you. Alt A, it will come like that. You can create alerts and you can take the trade. And notice, friends, when these buy sell alerts are clustered, that means it is when they are very nearby, better not to take the trade. That means the price is going sideways. If you are getting, they are very nearby, sell and buy, sell and buy. So wait for the sellers to get trapped, and even you can keep it as a stop loss here. See after this, there was a seller and buyer. This is the point of control. Point of control because both sellers and buyers have been engaged in smart money concept. It is called as order block. This is the orders are got blocked over here. That area market is coming and retesting, right? Then you are getting a reversal signal and you are trading it. And there is a buy signal over here. That can also act as a reference for you for the early entry. But this buy signal is condition based only because it has come down. Only when it is climbing above the RF as well as the rolling pivot and the GannHilo, this condition, this is a safe entry and it will fetch you money. Otherwise, this one is if you get an early entry, but the price action is very choppy. At that time, you should have very strong mind to hold the position. That is the thing. So like this, you can keep alerts for the multiple stocks When stocks comes on the table, you can trade on if you are a premium membership or basic also will give you free also, they will give 1 or 2 alert, I believe. They will give you an opportunity to give 1 or 2 alerts. This is how I trade. For example, now Bitcoin is trading now. We will go to the Bitcoin. That will be live. For the Bitcoin, crude oil, what you can do is, now Bitcoin is running. See, this is in a sell condition, now buy condition is coming. That means it is a range. This is a range. Then what we can do, the prior condition was buy, right? It is a correction. Then you can keep a buy alert again, not sell alert. We will keep a buy alert for Bitcoin. Same way, drop down menu, select the indicator and price cross alert. And then what you need to do, which time frame? 5 minutes will select, create. Whenever that condition is met, when the price starts moving here, the price alert, already one buy alert has come. It may not trigger one more. Only when it goes like that, already when buy alert is there. You have gotten reference here. Reference here. Only if it falls below, you need to watch. I've kept a buy alert, thinking that it may go sideways still also. It is moving, it may range high, coming inside, maybe. It may be a continuation of the range. It is making an attempt to come out of the range and it may start moving higher. Like this, you can keep the alert. For the crude oil, if you want to trade on the crude oil, better to keep hourly alerts. Let me change the time frame to hourly. Let the indicator load. Alt A, same, select the indicator. Price cross alert. Let us see what is the trend here. Trend is down. Okay. Then we will keep pivot RF cell. Alert has been kept on so you need not continuously watch. Let the market go up. At here, sell already is there. I put a sell alert because I am anticipating pullback, sell rally. It may pull back and it may go for selling. Only if it crosses this sell, you can, and also simultaneously, you can keep an alert, add alert at 7,220. 2 alerts you can keep. If you are, friends, it is worth buying. Basic thing also, TradingView, this one. It is a very good platform. It's not a recommendation for buying or anything. Just I'm telling you, it will help you like anything. Your trading becomes easier and you can watch multiple tracks. And apart from that, when you create an alert will be popped up here. If you click on the alert, now it is not coming. If you click on the alert, immediately it takes you to that chart. That is the beauty of the TradingView. You need not go to the watch list and add up and see that whatever, when it is popping up, for example, Nifty chart alert is popping up on the crude oil chart. I am watching on the crude oil chart. Then if you click on that, automatically it goes to the same chart, whichever the alert is created. Then you can look for and you can trade better. That's how I can do that. And I've created a link. I've created a bot. I'll give a link for that. Whoever not bought my indicator, Nalini Precision Engine, they can click on that link, and it is an interactive bot. It will answer you, and you can press on that. You can directly press on that, and it will give you the WhatsApp link for me. You can, if you want to buy the indicator, you can do that. I'm going to give the indicator link in the description as well as the comment box. So look for that. If anybody not access this indicator, they can message me. Thank you very much, friends. Nalini Swami signing off. Before signing off, let me have a quick glance of the market. Nifty. Just a Nifty. I'm going to talk about the Nifty, and if I apply the Nifty, the price action is compression. You can see the steps, compressed steps over here. So we can anticipate for an expansion either to the downside. Maybe we can anticipate for let me remove the drawings. This is a compression. Compression is an opportunity for the big money to grab the liquidity, because every step there is stop loss pool is there. Let me put it. Text. Let me go there. And then let me write. These are the. Sorry, it is not coming over there. I have not selected the text. Yeah. Every step, this step. Stop losses are there. Okay, stop losses are there. And apart from this is a gap. Gap, stop loss. Let me bring in stop loss. So here the strong buyers are there. Market can trap these buyers' money. Long-term buyers who have gone long, it can, because these are short term. After the gap up, these are the people who have gone long, and there is plenty of stop loss. So the big money, if it will get easy liquidity, which is available on the system, then market can easily, it will gap down. When it gaps down, what happens is it will suck all the liquidity. When it sucks all the liquidity, this will be a short covering. Short covering, all these things will be swallowed, and again it will go sideways. This becomes an imbalance, and it takes time. It minimum around 12 o'clock or 1 p.m. If it gaps down, it may go sideways, or it may continue down. They may sweep one by one liquidity. They may gap down like this, sweep one by one liquidity like this, go sideways, and then come down. And they can do anything actually. They can do this, they can sweep this liquidity, go sideways, and sweep this liquidity. Or straight away, they sweep this liquidity and they halt near this level. And if you go there, the level is here. If you go to the sideways, this is the breakout level from this area. So it may come and retest little bit. It can deep down and it may start going sideways, and a short covering rally can come in the market. It may rally up to this area. It may go like this, go sideways. Let me pick up the tool. Like this for hours, and then a reversal can come or direction may start in the downside to fill the gap. Market can do this. So it is a weakness actually. If it comes and sweeps the liquidity, when they sweep the liquidity, they will try to go up to grab the liquidity. Because if they go up, then only they will become profitable. That's why you will see short covering rally for that. And then the direction will resume to the downside, probably to fill the gap. This may happen. I don't say it will happen. This may happen. And also, I don't trade with the bias. Whatever the market gives me, I'm going to trade. I need not bother because when I have my Nalini Precision Engine, it will give me direction and alerts too. So I'm going to attach the link. So please, if you click on that link, it will direct you. You can ask questions. That is about, it explains about the rolling pivot reversal. It is like a teaching board. You can click on that and you get to know more about it. And then if you want to get access, you can click on that. Thank you very much, friends. Nalini Swami signing off.